pa sa akong idol. Naniniwala ako. Uy, kasarap ra ang adobong paa sa manok. Uy. Wala na, nahubog mo na ang loob ko. Hindi na ng paalam. Are you sleeping already? Uy, ang ingay mo, Jai. Johnny, hello. Very nice looking video. Come to California with me. Okay, I'm coming. I will be there tomorrow. Oh my goodness, Mr. Koma, I miss you. How are you? It's been a long time. How many years you did not visit my life? I miss you, my friend. How are you today, tonight? Thank you for visiting me again. Did you miss me? I'm in Kisher Kelly Kelly. Oh my gosh, really? Are you kiss my Kikol? Are you gonna kiss my singit? Yes. How are you? I hope you're doing good, Mr. Anderson. How are you? I thought you forgot me, Chuck. You didn't visit. You didn't visit me. Very long time between the what? Antok na ako, hindi ko na kaya siguro. It's I'm so sleepy. Dati ang tagal-tagal kong antokin niya. Nag-bilis ko na lang antokin. Mga nakaraan kasi nasanay ako ang early ko matulog. Sana all, maraming comments.